Understanding vacuum-sealed bags in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, vacuum-sealed bags. This might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Understanding phrases like this is a great way to enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the term vacuum-sealed. A vacuum refers to a space entirely devoid of matter, including air. When something is sealed, it means it's closed tightly. So, vacuum-sealed describes a process where air is removed from a package or container, and then it is sealed shut. This method is often used for preservation and storage purposes. Now, why use vacuum-sealed bags? These bags are primarily used for storing food and other perishable items. By removing the air, it slows down the degradation process caused by bacteria and other microorganisms. This way, food stays fresh longer. But it's not just limited to food. These bags are also used for efficient packing and storage, as they reduce the space taken up by items like clothes or bedding. Let's look at some everyday examples where you might encounter vacuum-sealed bags. You might see them in the supermarket, particularly in the food section, where items like cheese, coffee, or smoked fish are stored. They're also popular in home organization, where people use them to store seasonal clothing, thereby saving space in their closets or suitcases. Understanding the process can be helpful. To vacuum seal something, you need a special bag and a vacuum sealing machine. The item is placed inside the bag, the machine removes the air, and then it seals the opening, creating an airtight environment. This is a simple yet effective technology that has become increasingly popular in both commercial and domestic settings. And that's a wrap on vacuum-sealed bags. I hope this video has helped clarify what they are, how they're used, and why they're important. Remember, every new phrase you learn is a step closer to fluency in English. Keep learning and exploring, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!